15 minutes we will take the cycles and come everybody on the road. Is the UNO team there?
आसिफ सर के लिए आवाज करो। Cheers for आसिफ सर। हिप हिप हुर्रे, हिप हिप हुर्रे, हिप हिप हुर्रे। बावला फाउंडेशन के लिए आवाज करो। सरळ आला की एक सचिन बोलल्यापासून एक 5 मिनिट प्रणय कुठे गेले? प्रणय आहे सगळी
I know, I live right here, so I keep listening to it. Yes, yes.
साथ में
अपना फोटोग्राफर का है वो किधर गया हमारे फोटोग्राफर का
रसिका मैम यहाँ पे देखिए
बोलो नहीं वो मॉडल मेरी वाला क्या नाम उसका राकेश
Rupesh. It's an honor to have Indian celebrity which we've seen in OTTs and many movies. Rasika, Dugal, the Mirzapur fame. Rasika Dugal is here. Big round of applause for Rasika ji. She's a Bandarite and environmentalist by heart. Coming and showing her support for this noble cause on the World Environment Day, the Greens. Welcome again. Last evening and today morning were different. Please come sir, Amitabh ji.
Highest select photo. Let's have a picture.
Hello. Another 10 minutes when I'm waiting for others guests of the morning to flag off this event. Amitabh ji, शुरुआत करते
रसिका
हैं
जी थोड़ा यहाँ पे आइए
और आपकी पूरी टीम रेडी है सुबह से. They are doing very good job.
अमिताभ जी को कुछ बोलना चाहिए अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग की ऊर्जा बढ़ा.
रसिका जी यहाँ पे देखिए थैंक यू मैडम.
मेरा कैमरा वाला कौन है? राहुल बड़ोले.
Sania?
I did.
Dad?
I spoke to
Oh, you did?
her.
I met her.
Yeah.
Sania, are you?
I love her. You know, she's amazing.
I put the second and that was there, and then
A lot of it.
oh, that's the
शहर
Yeah.
तो एक फोटो कर
Let's
लेते
take
हैं.
a nice picture.
chal.
Come and look.
क्या लुक क्या
थैंक यू
थैंक यू
थैंक यू.
And a lot is happening. Yeah.
मैम एक्सक्यूज मी.
मैम प्लीज
रूम नहीं करता.
हाय हाउ आर यू Yeah, I have a flight to catch to Delhi.
आसिफ
I have to leave leave for the airport at 9. So I have to get
Nine?
home by about 8, shower. 5 minutes. Yeah. Rahul sir. I mean, it depends on which.
Even though our charm is really tough.
We have an eco champ environmentalist by hat, the champion Rahul Bose is here. We welcome Rahul Bose for this green cyclothon.
Like it all, it's
I request all the students of the National College and the cyclists to please collect your cycles. And can I have Roshan and my team to please register, do the registration. Ganesh, please do the registration, take a pen and paper. We have a mobile registration desk. So just
I can see it's fantastic. Oh, I see.
Hello.
I am Rahul. I'm right now. Let's see honorable consul general.
Yeah.
Good morning, Ram. Good morning, champion. I got ready. Where's Rahul's ball?
we have the Honorable Shri Amitabh Singh Ji, our Indian Post, which have been serving the nation over years and years. And today we're going to release something very special in short time, just waiting for my other guests to come. And then we're going to have this release by the Indian Post.
Now it's better than the rain is
Big round of applause for Mr. Vedang Raina as he's finally arrived for this wonderful cyclothon. Mr. Vedang Raina and the Bhamla Foundation just completed 550 weeks of beach cleanup. Rasika, Dugal ji and Rahul Bose, all of them early in the morning gathered here to flag off this green cyclothon on the eve of World Environment Day along with Seher Bhamla. And before we start that, I would request all my esteemed guests to please release this special cancellation to commemorate an event, institution or personality. This special cancellation replaces the regular postmark of the designated post office, and it is impressed on the mail and parcel article to be delivered. So I request all my guests, Mr. Bhamla, Seher Bhamla, Rasika ji and Vedang, can we have the release, cancellation release? We have Mr. Amitabh Singh ji, the Chief Postmaster General Maharashtra Circle, and Madam Deepshika Birla ji, IPOS, SSPOS Mumbai North Division. I request all of them to please unveil this beautiful cancellation stamp. We have Padma Shri Mr. Uday Deshpande ji, Neha ma'am, Neha Jagtiani ji, if she's around, from the Principal of National College. We have Padma Shri Mr. Uday Deshpande ji, Asif Bhamla ji, उनका स्वागत करें. देखिए ये पद्म श्री उदय देशपांडे जी हमारे बीच हैं. So I would just want to tell you, yesterday we had this beautiful World Environment Day. As you know, we just completed 550 years of beach cleanup and multiple tree plantation drive. This year's theme is beat plastic pollution. The mission against single-use plastic continues with the Bhamla Foundation.
Environment is the only planet we have, and we should take care of it instead of finding space on other planets, because it's senseless as for me. And yeah, plant more trees, cycle or walk shorter distance, clean the beach, segregate your waste. Simple things can make everything better. So yeah, and be a better citizen of this planet. That's it.
Thank you for your participating on this. Yeah. Chale. Raju. Mr. Varun Chaudhary ji, Rasika, Dugal ji. We have Pashmina, Roshan ji also here. Big round of applause for all these wonderful people coming early in the morning for this noble cause of green cyclothon. Amitabh ji, please come, the Councillor General of Panama. Afaq bhai, हमारे पद्मश्री आइए सर, प्लीज मंच पर आइए. राजू सैपलिंग्स दे देना. डॉक्टर दीपशिका बिरला जी, प्लीज मंच पर आइए. डॉक्टर दीपशिका बिरला जी, प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज. Now I request her to please felicitate all our guests with giving this beautiful sapling. Sapling. Sir, I would request to present this beautiful sapling to Rasika Dugal ji. Sir, Sanjay, sapling दीजिए आगे पहले सर को. जी दीपशिका बिरला जी, प्लीज आइए ना आगे मैम.
सर इधर थोड़ा नीचे ले लेना आप.
Sir would present a sapling to Rahul, Bose ji also after this. Raju, pakad lo. So we'll have another sapling here.
सर यहाँ पे सर.
Sir, we have saplings behind you. Just let them hold, everyone. No, but let them hold and take a picture at least, huh? No. Yeah. Can I have another sapling for Pashmina, Roshan?
सर थोड़ा क्रॉस हो गए. थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ. थोड़ा नीचे ले ले.
I would request Mr. Afaq Mohammed ji to please present the sapling to the Panama Consulate General. Big round of applause for all these people showing their love towards the environment and coming here early in the morning for the Green Cyclothon on the eve of World Environment Day. Mr. Sahar would give the honor to Padma Shri Birla ji and a sapling to Mr. Varun Chaudhary ji also after this. Finally, to Mr. Amitabh Singh ji, IPOS Chief Postmaster General. Neha ma'am, please come on the stage. We have been waiting for you from so long. Neha Jaktani ji, big round of applause for the Principal of National College, Neha Jaktani ji. We missed you last evening. And please come on the stage. All the National College students who've taken this. Okay, can I have Neha ma'am please on stage and say to play felicitate Neha Jaktani ji. Sir, please present this sapling to Neha Jaktani ji.
They're done.
And sir would present a sapling to now the youth ambassador for the Green Cyclothon, Vedang Raina ji. Big round of applause for Vedang Raina. He's here. His love for the environment shows that his presence here in the morning. And now we'll have Neha ma'am.
सर सामने.
So Neha ji, please share your experience with the Bamla Foundation, the kind of...
For this wonderful Bamla Foundation, consistently working for this World Environment Day. Everything is wonderful, and I'd really like to welcome all these youth icons, Vedang, Pashmina, of course, the absolutely... No. Oh, you have a huge amount of fans. And Bamla ji, today is a very good day because, he's been a student of ours, and yesterday, the reason I couldn't come is that yesterday I have taken over as the director of the entire Bandra campus. So all the 4 colleges now come under me. So I think we need to now make it very much for inviting me, and I hope to support you in every way. And also I'd like to conclude with the famous words, aim for the moon so that even if you fail, you're somewhere among the stars. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Neha ji.
नमस्कार। पिछले महीने हमने 11 दिन के बारिश देखी। ये हमारे इतिहास में पहली बार हुआ। Average rainfall in May is 11 millimeters. This year it was close to 200 millimeters. We're not doing very well with the environment. And the real game is, of course, methane, greenhouse gases. But that is not in our hands. It's more a governmental, geopolitical problem. What we can do, and I mean this very, very seriously, is to consume less. Spend less, use less, consume less, save water, save electricity. Do you really need that much food on your plate? That's the only way this is going to actually start to be arrested. There is really no other way. We're going to have to really look hard at making sure that the resources that we have, we use them very, very sparingly and very wisely if this is to last. Asif Seher, thank you very much. It's been wonderful coming here with all the work that you guys do. I hope we can turn this around. As I said, humanity's track record hasn't been great, but if we can turn this around, then we should start today. Thanks.
This is turning up at 7 o'clock in the morning is a true testament to your commitment to your health and to the environment. बहुत कुछ लोग बोलते हैं और बहुत कुछ करना है हमें environment के लिए, और कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम इस चीज़ में जूझ जाते हैं कि अब क्या करें और क्या नहीं करें. तो इस चीज़ में आप मत पड़िए. Every small step counts, and believe in that. And Asif and Seher are testament to that, and the Bhamla Foundation is testament to that. So participation is important. Perfection, I hope we can reach there someday. But till then, participation is good enough. So thank you for turning up and making a commitment to making this a better world. Thank you.
Come on.
Hi everybody, happy Environment Day. I'm so happy to be here today with everybody, to be able to celebrate Environment Day, even like with the smallest step. It's a step that counts, like Rasika man said. No step is small, no step is too big. So I'm really happy to be here. Everyone's so happy, invigorated, and just to show love and support to our planet. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, I request Neha ma'am has a small memento to give away. So all the students of National College, put your hands up in the air. We have this special memento given from the National College to Rahul, Bose. I would say a youth icon and environmentalist by the heart, at anything, wherever there is public service, he's always there to serve the nation, to serve Mumbaikar. With from the National College, I'll hold this happening.
Yeah, Vedang sir. Look here.
Now we release this.
Done.
Yeah. Put your hands up, all the students of National College. Can we have some cheers for the National College? Put your hands up, all the students of National College. And can we have the Tick Tick Plastic song? So let's get up for
कार्यक्रमाला उपस्थित राहून फ्लॅग दाखवण्यात यावा.
हॅलो चेक चेक चेक.
अलीकडच्या कालखंडामध्ये अशा स्पर्धा आयोजित करणं ही तुमच्या आमच्या सर्वांसाठी एक संधी आहे. ही संधी यासाठी आहे की लोकांना व्यायाम करायला वेळ नाही. डिजिटल आणि मोबाईल आणि याच्यामध्ये सर्व गुंतलेले आहेत. जेव्हा केव्हा एखाद्या व्यक्तीला काही व्याधी होते आणि तो काही सफर होतो त्यावेळेस त्याला जाणीव होते की आपण व्यायाम केला पाहिजे. परंतु सातत्याने अशा पद्धतीचे उपक्रम राबवून सोशल मध्ये अवेअरनेस आणणं आणि त्यांना प्रोत्साहित करणं हे तुमचं आमचं सर्वांचं कर्तव्य. आणि अशी बमला यांच्या नेतृत्वामध्ये निश्चितच अतिशय चांगल्या पद्धतीचा कार्यक्रम हा होतोय. काल देखील रात्री त्यांनी छान एक कार्यक्रम केलेला आहे. मी देखील सकाळी 9 वाजता एअरपोर्टवरून टेक ऑफ करणार होतो. त्याच्यापूर्वी म्हणे आपल्याला एक फ्लॅग दाखवून जावा. मी देखील सकाळी तसा व्यायाम करतोच, त्यामुळे मी आपल्यालाही सल्ला देऊ शकतो. आणि म्हणून अशा एका चांगल्या उपक्रमास मला उपस्थित ठेवल्याबद्दल मी ऑर्गनायझरचं मनापासून आभार मानतो आणि या स्पर्धेसाठी सर्वांना शुभेच्छा व्यक्त करतो. आणि त्याचबरोबर पर्यावरण दिनाच्या देखील आपणा सर्वांना शुभेच्छा देतो. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
और वेदांग रैना जी.
Hello, good morning everyone. Thank you for showing up, thank you for coming, and happy World Environment Day. Lovely initiative by Bhamla sir, Sir Bhamla. They've been at it, committed to this cause, as we all should be. And this is another wonderful initiative. I was there the other day cleaning up the beach, and now we're doing a green ride today. So all the best to all the cyclists, and thank you for this amazing initiative. Thank you.
सर इधर सामने, सर सामने.
राजुल पाटिल जी, आप प्लीज few words. सर को मिस्टर बामला शेलार जी की रिलीज करते हैं हम लोग. हाँ, सो कैन आई हैव द ओके, यस. So cancellation with Indian flag in the hand. Yeah. Yes, absolutely. So let's wave this Indian flag on this World Environment Day, which we're going to start the cyclothon within 5 minutes. So let's all get up for this cyclothon. अमिताभ जी, हम शेलार साहब का असल में वेट कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ही इज द गार्डन मिनिस्टर. तो हम चाहते हैं कि उनके शुभ हाथों से आज ही आपका कैंसिलेशन स्टैम्प रिलीज हो. But the message, I feel very honored to hold this flag of my country, India, because जो हाल में हुआ Operation Sindoor, the kind of response our country has given, I feel proud of being an Indian, and India is always for our country. The Coast Guard, the Indian Army, the Indian Air Defense, all of them has just faced a challenge which they have successfully succeed, and today we are very proud for ourselves. आसिफ भाई, मैं चाहूँगा कि आप for this कल जो हमारा इवेंट है उसके बारे में कुछ बताएं.
और इस कैंपेन के जो ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है वेदांग रैना जी के लिए जोरदार तालियों से इनका स्वागत करिए. वेदांग इज द यूथ सेंसेशन. वी हैव पश्मीना जी, we have Pashmina, the youth face, and of course we have Rahul Bose ji and a couple of other gentlemen. We have of course Amitabh ji, the head of the posts here in Maharashtra. Thank you so much everybody. We have the Honorable Consul General of Panama also here. I guess I know cyclists are getting a little uneasy, but it's a little tradition to have our seniors here to be present, and due to some reason he's still on the way, but we'll start in the next 5 minutes. And let's all celebrate the World Environment Day with a message to use cycling, to use, if you know now, the government of Maharashtra under the leadership of our leader Devendra Fadnavis ji, and all hands up in the air, hip hip, hip hip, hip hip. I can see my post persons here also. They've also come here to cycle with us, but I think in the next 5 to 7 minutes we'll have Ashish ji here, and we'll start accumulating there. I know Ramji has also got a flight, and once Ashish ji comes, he flags off, and then we take away. I think he himself also wants to cycle a little. तो वो भी हमारे साथ आदरणीय मंत्री जी भी साइकिलिंग हमारे संग करेंगे, and we have a beautiful ride from here to Bandra station and back here, and that will be the concluding session of this beautiful World Environment Day. Thank you so much to everybody for supporting the Bamla Foundation, for being with the Bamla Foundation. We are thankful that we had the Honorable Chief Minister flag up this campaign. Ramji kal aapne dekha hi hoga, and pure
Malcolm player, and because of him the Prime Minister Modi ji has introduced Malcolm, which is Indian gymnastics in Khelo India, and you have to go to Dadar Shivaji Park for 2 hours. Small little children are there in the morning and in the evening, bare feet, without their mobile phones, and they are playing all Indian sports like Kho-Kho, Kabaddi and all of them. So we need to encourage the bachas, and today we also have Mr. Manoj Paharia. He has come from an NGO, and we have 15 visually impaired blind students who are also going to ride the cycle.
Center stage and release this cancellation stamp. Amitabh ji, Deepshika Birla ji, thank you the entire Indian Post Department. Can you open the folder and have a photo op of this, all of you all? Please open the folders. A cancellation stamp for the World Environment Day. इसमें ये संदेश है कि सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक कितना हार्मफुल हम लोगों के लिए, एंड आई कुड सी दिस. ये लिफाफे जब हम देखते थे हम बचपन में, यू नो, दिस इज वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल मोमेंट. वी हैव कैंसिलेशन स्टैम्प, एक जो ठप्पा लगता है, which is about the cyclothon, sorry, which is about the World Environment Day. Amitabh ji, very good initiative, and big round of applause to the entire Department of Indian Post for taking this lovely initiative on the World Environment Day. Thank you Amitabh ji, thank you Deepshika Birla ji for this lovely initiative. अब मैं चाहूँगा कि जितने भी cyclists हैं सब सामने आ जाए. Just faces towards the stage. So the pictures will come from here.
पश्मीना
Come on.
थोड़ा सा
10 देना.
ये किधर है? ये किसके पास है?
आइए.
थैंक यू, मैं जाती हूँ.
एक मिनट रुक जाइए. ये भाई इधर आना.
Can I all the cyclists, especially हमारे जो postmasters हैं, वो और उनके साथ पीछे cyclists, all the cyclists look towards the stage. और अपना राइडर ऐसे घुमा लीजिए. पहले फोटो ले लीजिए, फिर हम यहाँ से बाहर जाएंगे. वेदांग प्लीज टेक अ साइकिल. पश्मीना, हमारे राम शिंदे जी, अमिताभ जी, राजुल, दीना पाटिल जी, all of y'all. Sir, even you take a cycle. Neha ma'am. Neha ma'am will do 2 rounds. I think we have a very beautiful photo view from the top. Get the flags also here. Yeah. Flags ready रखना. Flags हम लोग वहाँ लेंगे. We'll have a picture here. Flags हम वहाँ पर करेंगे. Where is Bittu gone? Bittu. Yes. वरुण चौधरी जी. वरुण जी आइए. क्या है? वरुण का है. इधर जो साइकिल. फिट इंडिया आइकॉन के वरुण चौधरी जी हमारे. पश्मीना will also have a cycle with her. Rasika Dugal का. Let's have a good picture.
रंग भाई यहाँ पे देखिए ना. क्या बात है.
Is Bhavin around? Bhavin?
हाँ वहाँ पे साइकिल है हाँ हाँ क्या बात है Excuse me, brother.
So let's all cheers for the beautiful guests here on the World Environment Day. Put your hands up in the air and can I have the tick tick plastic song? Put your hands up in the air. All the students, all the जितने postmasters हैं सारे हाँ ऊपर करें हाथ अपना. तो ठीक है आसिफ बामला जी, please hold the hands of all the celebrity and show a message to the environment. And नेहा जी वो जो आपने बहुत बढ़िया देश का तिरंगा कॉलेज में हम उसको रिलीज करना चाहते हैं before we do the flag off. Can I have the flag?
अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना तो पानी फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियाँ का ये पानी रुक जाएगा
कर दो रहम धरती का ये दम भी घुट जाएगा कि कुदरत की नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं
आइए नेहा जी प्लीज
समाज है
I want more cyclists from the behind. सब आगे आ जाइए please. All the cyclists who are behind, please let's assemble here. National College. Yeah. Music चलने दो दादा. Three, two, one. Yeah, leave it up there. Hold on, sir. Leave it up there. सेंटर में निकालो पीछे जाके हमारे साइक्लोथॉन के सारे जो बच्चे हैं वो बाहर साइकिल लेके आएंगे अभी और ये संदेश आज जागतिक पर्यावरण दिवस के अवसर पर हम देना चाहेंगे कि पर्यावरण की संरक्षण और रक्षा ये हर भारतीय
वाली भी लिख लो जा रहे हो हाँ आपका पूरा मिलेगा जो अरे कहाँ बीच में आ रहा है थोड़ा पीछे जाओ ना थोड़ा पीछे जाओ तो मिलेगा
On the promenade. It's a much nicer picture. The picture will be nice. So,
I think we should sit on a bike.
let's go, guys.
थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ
इधर बीच में.
Done.
Asif, let's cycle down the promenade. Yeah, it's a much nicer picture.
अरे कौन भाग गया भाग किसी जाते हैं ना चलेगा ओ बेटा अरे तुम लोग क्यों आ रहे हो अरे यार हट जाओ ना यार हाँ निकल लेगी निकल लेगी निकल लेगी मैं तो आया वही मिला
3, 2, 1. World join this green cyclothon.
आसिम आसिम आसिम
अभी स्टार्ट किया साइकिलिंग बट कैन कैच अप ऑन द रोड बिटवीन
लाइट थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे ना
बैंडर स्टेशन था बैंडर स्टेशन चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट द बैंडर स्टेशन अंदर तो भाई लोग थोड़ा सा अरे प्रणय सोयल संग से बैंडर स्टेशन को डायरेक्ट चलो साइकिल लाओ ये राशि भाई